All right, boogie lights, long light stream, smaller one. It lights up the small one on there on one line. It lights up the big one. Now, let me put the phone down. Now, if I put them together and touch them, it knocks out the small one. So something weird about the resistance or something. I don't know why. But that's it. Now this is in series. See, I got ground from the battery, and that's brake lights. And I tied them in series. Of course, they ain't bright now, so I can't use them for brake. I was gonna use those with brake before, so, well, obviously I figured it out. This is not in series. That one's brighter than this one. It's the battery that was low, but the other problem is that's right turn. Here's left turn. And they're doing the same. Steering wheel came off first. No Allens. And then nut. It's a 13/16. And then the cap and spacer. Get your horn button on through there. Then I had to press this off with this tool. I had to go get 1/4 inch fine thread screws, and this is a forever sharp steering wheel assembly. There's the horn button that comes off next.